Best one-person sauna for home. Number 1. Kunshana, one-person sauna for home. The expected service life of at-home sauna is 14 years, and putting it outdoors will affect the use effect and service life. There are Bluetooth audio and LED reading lights inside, so you can read and listen to music while enjoying the sauna. Quality and safety. Our personal sauna for home are designed with tongue and groove, easy to install and durable. Made of Canadian hemlock with 6mm tempered glass doors. Tempered glass doors can 180 degrees opening and closing. Saunas are safe and long-lasting. The protection device will cut off the power if there is a leakage. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Kigi, one-person sauna for home. Portable sauna is designed for easy installation and use. It comes with a detailed instruction manual that guides you through the setup process step by step. The sauna requires minimal assembly, and you can have it up and running in just a few minutes. Its detachable frame enables easy storage, and the durable stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting durability. Its compact design makes it easy to transport, so you can enjoy a sauna session wherever you go. With a 2.6-liter steam pot full of water, and 9 temperature settings, Kigi Portable Sauna boasts a quick heat-up time of just 6 to 12 minutes, reaching a maximum temperature of 130 degrees Fahrenheit affected by the environment. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Ops Decor, one-person sauna for home. The health benefits of using home spa sauna tent include weight lose, improve skin tone, relieve stiffness and joint pain, increase blood circulation, promotes more restful sleep, reduces stress, and increase overall energy level. Use this steam sauna to relax while reading books, listening to music, play on your mobile phone, watch movies and so on. Handheld control, with 6 automatic timer options, you can easily decide the length of time that is right for you. The newest 2 liters capacity steam pot, with timing and power adjustment, anti-dry, anti-leakage, anti-explosion, automatic power cut protection, anti-leakage protection. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Togo, one-person sauna for home. Togo 2-person sauna uses far-infrared technology to alleviate muscle and joint pain, improve blood circulation, eliminate toxins from the body, and, when combined with chromotherapy, offers comprehensive health benefits. 360 degrees uniform heating. The 902CH sauna is equipped with 11 low EMF far-infrared carbon crystal heating panels, including foot and front door panels. It achieves 360 degrees surround heating, ensuring uniform and gentle heat distribution, and rapidly warms up within 10 minutes. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Kang Share, one-person sauna for home. Canadian hemlock infrared indoor sauna room is beautiful, highly resistant to moisture and decay. This ensures the sauna room remains in pristine condition for years to come. The infrared wavelength released by graphene is most similar to the infrared wavelength of the human body. Similar infrared wavelengths can cause resonance phenomena. Bluetooth speaker, LCD media smart control panel, integrates functions of setting time, adjusting temperature, FM radio, USB, reading light, towel rack, teacup holder, built-in oxygen bar for air purification, with ventilation openings to prevent stuffiness. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.